In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make hollow text in Adobe Illustrator, step by step. This is a super simple technique, but it's incredibly useful for logos, posters, social media graphics, and even print designs where you want clean, outlined typography instead of solid-filled text. The best part is you can do this in just a few clicks using tools you already have in Illustrator. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make your hollow text look even more professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. You can choose any size you like since this technique works the same way for all document types. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar and select the Type tool. You can also press the shortcut key T on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Now click anywhere on your artboard and type the text you want to turn into hollow text. This can be a single word, multiple words, or even just a single letter depending on your design. After typing your text, you can adjust the font from the top control panel. Bold fonts usually work especially well for hollow text because the outlines are more visible and impactful. You can also resize your text by selecting it and increasing the font size from the top menu, or by using the selection tool and dragging the corner handles while holding Shift to keep proportions consistent. Once you're happy with how your text looks, make sure the text is selected. This is very important because the next changes will only apply if your text object is active. With the text selected, go to the Fill color box in the toolbar. You'll see two overlapping squares near the bottom of the toolbar. One represents fill and the other represents stroke. Bring the fill square to the front if it's not already active, then click on the None option. The None option is represented by a white box with a red diagonal line through it. As soon as you click None, the inside of your text will disappear. Don't worry if it looks invisible for a moment. Next, we're going to add the outline that creates the hollow effect. Click on the stroke square in the toolbar to bring it to the front. Then choose any color you want for your outline. You can select a color from the swatches panel, the color panel, or even use the eyedropper tool if you want to match another element in your design. Once you apply a stroke color, you'll immediately see the outline of your text appear. Right now, the stroke might look very thin, and that's completely normal. To make the hollow text more visible and bold, we need to increase the stroke weight. With your text still selected, go to the stroke panel. If you don't see it, you can open it by going to Window and then selecting Stroke from the drop-down menu. Inside the stroke panel, you'll see a weight option. Increase the number gradually until the outline looks the way you want. You can type in a value manually or use the arrows to adjust it. As you increase the stroke weight, you'll see the outline becoming thicker and more prominent. This is what creates that clean, hollow text effect. You can experiment with different stroke weights depending on your design style. Thicker strokes create a bold, modern look, while thinner strokes feel more elegant and minimal. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you want the stroke to align differently, look in the stroke panel for the Align Stroke options. You can align the stroke to the center, inside, or outside of the text path. For hollow text, aligning the stroke to the outside often creates a cleaner and more readable result, especially for thicker outlines. And that's it. You've successfully created hollow text in Illustrator using just the Type tool, fill settings, and stroke adjustments. It's a simple technique, but it can completely transform your typography and make your design stand out. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.